In this video, I will show you how you can use Midjourney for web design. Now, Midjourney is a great and handy tool to get some inspiration of what website you want to create. So let's get started. First of all, I want to say you can either use Midjourney in the Discord version or on the web interface. Personally, I prefer the web interface because you get a bit more features, so let's get started. So what you need to do is you need to go to the Explore tab over here, and then let's go to Search. Basically, what you need to do then is you need to type the industry where you want to create the website of. For example, the motorcycle, and then let's type website. As you can see, now Midjourney will show some images which basically are a website of a motorcycle, a landing page with 5 sections, blah, blah, blah. As you can see, this is a great inspiration source. So if you like this image, you can tap on Use in the right down corner of your screen, and then you can tap on Image, Style, or Prompt. When you tap on Prompt, it will copy the prompt to your address bar, or you can use the style, which basically only copies the style, or the whole image, as a whole. So it will take inspiration based on this whole image, not only the style. But I've created my own prompt, which I'm gonna paste right now. As you can see, e-commerce website for a motorcycle store. And because we are on the web interface, I do not have to type AR, which basically stands for aspect ratio 9:16. I can just delete this by, just like this, because we can go to our filters over here and we can manually do that. As you can see, image size, landscape, 16:9, which is very easy. You can also change the aesthetics, the model, and more options, but that is not necessary for now. So let's just press enter over here. Of course, you need to make sure what industry or what kind of website do you want. For example, a blog, a portfolio website, a magazine website, just anything, what you want, an e-commerce website. You can be very creative with that. But now Midjourney is generating this image. Now, Midjourney is done with creating the images, but to be honest, this is not what I wanted. But that is how you need to work with AI. It is trial and error. But what we can do is we can type motor, or let's go to Explore actually, otherwise we type in my creations. So let's go to motorcycle and then website or web design, or let's try web design. As you can see, maybe let's just select this one. Then let's type, or let's select image. Now we can type our prompt, website for motorcycle store, and then just press enter just like this. It will be a horizontal image. You can also make this vertical if you want to by going to filters and then changing this to vertical just like this. But for now I will keep it on horizontal. So let's just actually wait what Midjourney will generate now. And as you can see, this is still not what I want, but it is a bit better. They have added text, but let's actually try. If we make this vertical, if it looks a bit better. So let's make this 9:16, and let's just paste the prompt again, and let's rerun this. Now Midjourney is generating 4 new images which are vertical instead of horizontal. By the way, if you do want to earn some more credits, you can go to tasks over here, and you can earn free fast hours. So basically free image generations. By doing some surveys or some ranking. It is very easy and totally free. So this way you don't have to pay too much for Midjourney, which of course is never bad. So still, this is not what we want. So Midjourney is not that good anymore at web design, but still you can take some inspiration from these images. For example, like this, maybe you can put this on your own website. But what you can do is change the version by going to filters and then changing the Midjourney version. So let's select the 5.2 version, for example, and then copy the prompt or paste the prompt again, delete this. Let's make this horizontal again. Let's try that. And this is an older version which might work better. Let's press enter again, and now Midjourney is again generating a new website design. As you can see, the older version worked much better. So for example, you can go to this image, and you can definitely take some inspiration from this. So big header image, Down you can select your place your products over here. Some more information over here. The top bar. Yeah, this looks very good, to be honest. So basically what we did is we went to filters over here and we changed the version to 5.2. So the 6.1 version does not work as good as the 5.2 version for web design at least. So I hope this video was helpful. If this video was helpful, please subscribe to the channel and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.